Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name's Clara Z and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So today I have a mini Hermes haul and I did receive a mystery gift from my essay for Christmas. I have no idea what this is, but I'll open this at the end and I'm just going to share a few items that I recently picked up from Hermes, but I'm definitely so curious as to what this could be. So let's get started with the mini haul over here first. So let's open this little box first. So I've already opened this and used this, and basically what it is a CDC 24 bracelet in black and rose gold. And actually this one is quite special because it's in lizard. So here's a close up so you can see what the lizard kind of looks like. Now I already own this bracelet also in the Epsom leather, which looks like this, also in the black and gold. And actually I picked this one up while I was in Vancouver, also a CDC 24. I really like the look of this. It's not as chunky as the original CDC, it still has the edginess, but I can just kind of show you what they look like side by side if you're curious to know how the lizard versus the Epsom looks. I love them both, and I guess this one's a bit shinier and more dressy, and this one is a bit more casual. So here I'm wearing them side by side so you can kind of see. So obviously I really do like the lizard one a lot. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the Epsom one now. My essay said I should just wear this more casually and this for more dressy occasions, but I do find that I reach for this one more because it's a bit more shinier. And I love the edginess of this. Just something to note about the leather, it is slightly thicker than the Epsom, so the first couple of times you try to put this over this part, it is a bit thick and you have to kind of force it through, but once you've done it a few times, then the leather kind of loosens up and it becomes easier to slide over this part. So the next item comes in this little box. And these are just the POP earrings. I believe these are the rose azure color, so they're like a soft pink color, definitely my color because I am a pink person, and this is against a rose gold backing. So these are just really nice for a casual day out or weekends. And the next item, you probably recognize the packaging, is a Twilly. And here is the Twilly. It is the latest design and some of you may have seen this online. It is white and orange. And what I especially like about this one is that it has a bunny because I really love rabbits and little bunnies. And because it's white, it should be really easy to match and go against pretty much all of my other bags. Next up is this larger box, and if you recognize the size, you probably know it's a shoebox. So these are the Kelly loafers, the slip-on ones, and these are in the white color with the rose gold hardware. So these are actually for the spring-summer collection. However, my essay said that they've been starting to get items from spring-summer, and she said for me to get them now because by spring-summer everybody will want these, and so I immediately picked these up. I did get these in my regular loafer size and they fit fine. What I appreciate about these slip-on loafers is that this part is a bit higher because I do have a higher back on my foot, and some shoes, for example the Gucci Princeton loafers, didn't work well for my feet because the ridge here was a bit too low, so they would press on the back of my feet and they hurt me, whereas these are definitely a lot more spacious and comfortable. So I really look forward to wearing these over the summer, and they just look really easy to wear and match. These would probably go really well with kind of like the 3/4 length pants or skirts for work or even on casual weekends. And these have the leather soles as such. So next up, I'm going to show you an item I received from Hermes during their Christmas workshop. It's not the mystery gift. I will open that afterwards. However, they had the upside down Christmas theme this year, and they had a workshop where they invited some of their clients to make an item which is inside this box. So during the workshop, I made this. So it looks like a bit of a crystal ball, and there were some cutouts made out of wood that you could glue to the bottom of this, and you could paint some pictures inside if you wanted to with white paint. However, I kind of like the clear look of this, and actually it's supposed to look like this and be upside down. This is supposed to be the sky, and this is what it looks like. And I removed the top because I actually think the glass is a bit dirty, so it might be easier to see what it looks like without the glass top. So basically you went there and they had all these cutout pieces made out of wood. So there's some cats, some trees, some buildings, and you could pick one of these for the sky, and then there are mountains, and then you had to glue this round part to the bottom of this as the sky, and then the rest of the items you could pretty much just glue on here. The glue was a bit runny, so it was actually really messy. I was wearing a Chanel jacket, and every time I squirted out the glue, I'd be kind of like, because like the glue would kind of like squirt in different directions. And I was so worried about getting my Chanel jacket dirty, but luckily the glue did not go all over the place, and maybe it's because I'm a bit clumsy, so I just kind of put it on the piece of wood, and then I just kind of put the glue underneath these pieces to make this. So I think it's supposed to look this way for a upside down Christmas. Anyways, I thought that was kind of a nice touch. Every year Hermes does have these Christmas workshops, and last year I think they made a snowman, and the year before that we were making ornaments, these horses made out of scraps of Hermes silks and leathers, which was really nice. I actually enjoyed that one the most, but this year was also not bad, making this little kind of a snow globe upside down Christmas. So now on to the item I'm most excited to unwrap is this. I received this as a surprise from my SA after that Christmas workshop. She just said she had something for me, and she actually put it into my bag with the shoes and the globe. I was quite happy to receive this, and it was quite a surprise. You can see the box is actually a bit heavy, and yeah, there's some noises inside. I'm so curious what this is. Yeah, so this is actually a true unboxing. So let's unbox this together and find out what my beautiful SA gave to me. Wow, it is a picture frame. And surprise, surprise, it's actually a picture that I took during the recent fashion show for the winter collection. So this is where I was able to select a bag and take various photos. I did take a picture with the Picnic Kelly, and I also took a picture with the Kelly doll. So they selected this one with the Picnic Kelly. Wow, that's really nice. This picture frame, it's really solidly built, and I was so surprised to receive this. So I really think this is a special gift because it's a way to remember the event, and it's also to have a touch of Hermes to place in your home. So here's the picture. You may have seen some of the pictures from the event that I posted to my Instagram. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, I will put my hashtag here somewhere down below. And actually quite thoughtful because this was actually quite a few months back. So thank you so much to Hermes for taking this beautiful picture and also framing it and giving this to me as a special Christmas gift. They did include a small card here, and basically they are just thanking me for joining the Autumn-Winter 22 fashion show, and they wanted just to commemorate the joyous occasion with a snapshot of the precious moments at the fashion show. Thank you so much, Hermes. So that's it for today's small Hermes haul. Were there particular items you particularly liked, and were you surprised by the mysterious Hermes gift, which was like a total surprise to me, but also quite a nice touch to commemorate the occasion at the time. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe. And if you haven't done so already, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle here somewhere down below. I wish you a fabulous day, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye now.